Hello and welcome. I have a project on smoke detection and fire prevention. Now in this I have a launch sprinkler, a smoke detector, a three old cars, an access point, and one server point, which will convert into registration server later on in this video. And now we shall we shall name the SSID of all the points. Going into config and then wireless, and then name it into as Cisco. Now going to smoke detector and going to config and then wireless, and also naming it as Cisco. We are naming it as Cisco to make the connection between access point and launch sprinkler, and smoke detector and the access point. Launch sprinkler is used to wipe out all the fire that is caused due to the old car pollution, and smoke detector is used to detect the smoke and ring an alarm after that. Now we shall connect the server to the access point via wire Ethernet. Now we shall give the IP address to the server, launch sprinkler, and smoke detector. So now going to server and then going to IP configuration, and then naming it as 1.0.0.1. Now going to launch sprinkler and going to wireless and going to the static and naming it as 1.0.0.2. Now going to smoke detector, wireless, static configuration, and naming it as 1.0.0.3. Now we will convert the server to a registration server. So clicking into it and going into services and then IoT, and then clicking it on. And now the service is on, and now clicking it in and going to the web browser and type the URL, which was 1.0.0.1, and then click to go. In this we don't have a username and password, so we need to create them. So sign up now. So we can type admin and password also admin, and now create. And now a username and ID has been created. Now we will connect launch sprinkler and smoke detector to the registration server. Now clicking into launch sprinkler and then going into settings and then going into IoT server and then clicking remote server. The server address, we are connecting launch sprinkler to the registration server, so the IP address of registration server should be attached with it. So server address was 1.0.0.1, username was admin, password was admin. So connecting it, waiting for it to connect. Refresh means now it is connected. And also connecting smoke detector to the registration server. So same process as in the launch sprinkler. So going into settings and then in IoT server and then in remote server, and server address of the registration server that was 1.0.0.1, your name was admin, password was admin. Now connecting it. Refresh means that it is connected. And now we go to registration server and see if this launch sprinkler and smoke detector is connected or not. We go to Spring server and we can see the status of it. The smoke the status of launch sprinkler and smoke detector is red, and it means that it is off. We can go to conditions and specify that you can add many conditions like that match any all IoT 4. If the smoke is detected, so the sprinkler will get on. We can add as many as condition as possible. So it is up to it is up to you that we can add any condition. So this is how we can connect a launch sprinkler and a smoke detector and it in the smoke detector, and we can detect any kind of smoke, and launch sprinkler will will just will just open it by itself, and we can wipe out that fire. So this was my project.